set on the fabric. Yeah, I got hoe like Lionel Richie. Told my man, bitch, start a business. Diamonds in my earring blocking out the critics. Baby, throw that ass on me, I promise I won't miss it. Crime scene, yellow tape, I'm trying to kill it. I'm in Neiman Marcus, I keep winking at the bitches. Snitches get stitches, where I'm from, they might kill it. Then we hit the strip club and we bow like Krillin. Section 8 music, nigga, feel it.
YouTube, it's your girl MJ, and I am back with another YouTube video. So today's video is gonna be a hair review. I've been following this company on Instagram. I kind of did my due diligence and researched them on YouTube, and I've been wanting to try the closure, like the new closures. I know the new thing is like the 5x5 and the 6x6. So this company is supposed to be notorious for their 6x6 closure wigs, and sis, in 2020, we doing wigs all 2020. I like to change my hair a lot, and the whole sewing thing, like sew-ins are still cute for me, but I think I'm kind of transitioning more into the wigs, and I like the new like 6x6 because it gives you like the full parting space, but we gonna get into that later. So let me tell y'all what's going on. I got the wig from, it's called Asteria hair. This is the box. It's a really cute box. I tried, you guys, to save this for you. I really wanted to open this on camera with you guys, but I was so thirsty and I needed my hair done at the time, so whatever. But this is the box that it comes in, and when you get the wig, it'll come in this bag. It also comes with this really cute satin bag. Again, it's another storage thing. It just has the brand name on it, and of course you can like pull it or whatever. This was really cute to me because, like I said, I keep all of my hair. Like, I have so many bundles, old frontals, old closures, everything, just hair. And I like to keep it just in case, you never know. So this is another cute like storage thing. It has their brand name on it, and then it comes with an elastic band. So this is really something that you need, in my opinion, because I don't do like the glue really. So the elastic band was a plus for me. I love that. And then it comes with the head scarf. So most hairstylists, if they don't sell these, they recommend you to have these, whether you have a closure, frontal, full lace. Tie this around your head, you know, kind of like this. For a nighttime, so that your lace doesn't like roll under, or if you're like getting ready to go somewhere and you do your hair first and then you do your makeup, you put this on while you getting ready to go, so make sure it like lays flat. So this is really another thing that I like. It came in handy a lot. I've been using it ever since I got the wig, so that's why it looks like wrinkly. But yeah, so there's that. That's about, oh, it also came with a wig cap. So it comes with the skin color wig cap. I can't show you guys because I have the wig cap on. But so this is a 22-inch, I believe they said it's a Brazilian lace wig. It's a 22-inch Brazilian lace wig, 180 density, and it's the transparent lace. I really liked about this wig, I feel like it was one of those wigs that's just ready to go. It's a throw-on wig. When I got the wig, it did not need, in my opinion, a lot of customization. I didn't have to customize it. The only thing I did to this wig was literally bleach the knots. I bleached the knots, and it came, I think it was pre-plucked. I'm not sure. I have to check the website again. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box for this week so I can check. You guys can check and I can check. I believe it was pre-plucked, but it came already ready to wear. You literally can take the wig out the box and put it right on. It did have baby hairs here. I cut that. I cut the baby hairs off because I'm not really a big baby hair fan. I like more of a sleek look. I don't really like the baby hairs, so I cut those off, and of course I cut the lace. And yeah, I parted it, bleached the knots, and put it on. Of course, since it's a 6x6, you do get the parting space, a lot of parting space. So it starts from here, and it goes all the way over. So that's good, meaning that the part also goes back here. And then if you wanted to wear with the side part, you also have the option. It doesn't give you like the wiggy look. So I love that as well. The first thing that I did not like about this wig was the static of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this here, yeah, that's a no for me. It is like really staticky. It kind of has like over here, I'm not sure if you guys can see, like in this area, this hair here, it is always like that. And I've tried to put like the freeze blast, or I got like some stuff from the beauty supply, I can't remember the name of it. It's supposed to like get the flyaways, I guess that's what we would call it instead of static, the flyaways to lay down. It worked for the top of my hair, but like all out through the hair, it gets like a lot of static, and it does it a lot in the back. Like if you can see this right here, this out, like even if I brush it a lot throughout the day, it always gets like this static here. So that's one thing that I did not like about it. Shedding, it has minimal shedding. Like when I, you know, comb it, I'm not getting anything off of it, so that was good. On a scale of 1 to 10 of how well it holds the curl, I would give it maybe a 7. I am the girl that I don't really like to comb through my curls, because I feel like that brings down the longevity of how long the curls will last. That's just my opinion. Please don't, you know, shoot me or kill me for thinking it, but that's just what I think. So I don't really comb through the curls. I kind of like shake them out when I'm done with them. But I curled this hair earlier today, and this how it looks now, which to me is still not bad. It's like a, you know, the curls have fallen, kind of gives you like the wavy look. But for someone who wants the curls to stay in like the spiral throughout the day, if you one curly, you still want the one curl look throughout the day, I would say with this wig, you're probably not going to get that. I forgot to mention, this is a large cap size, and I want to put a lot of emphasis on the cap size. I did not know at first, and I'm going to tell you guys this so you won't make the same mistake that I did. When you are ordering a wig from here, I would say size down, because this wig, honestly, you guys, is too big. Like, I don't know if you can see this at the back. Like, this is all of the extra room that I have with this wig, because I ordered it in a large because I have a big head. So I was scared that if I got a medium, it was going to be too small. I haven't straightened it yet, so I can't tell you guys how well it straightens, but I will be straightening it either tonight or tomorrow. And I can like come back and give you guys an update on that. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's really good. On a 1 to 10 scale, I would probably rate this wig an 8. I would give it a solid 8, because overall the wig is a really cute wig. It has the thickness that you want. Like I said, it has the luster that you want. It's a ready to go wig, and it's just, you know, it's really cute. Asteria gets a thumbs up for me. If you guys want to know any more about this wig, or you would like for me to come back and do like a month update and let you guys know what happened in a month, if the wig is still good, if I straightened it, if I dyed it, please comment below and let me know. I would love to come back and give you guys a monthly update. I just wanted to come and give like my first impression on this hair. Just give you a little detail about it. Maybe you're thinking about buying it, you don't know if you should. Go ahead, sis. Don't think about it anymore. Go ahead and buy it. You're gonna be okay. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be the first person to know when I post a video. And I love you. Hey guys, so I realized at the end that I had somewhere to go. So I thought it would be really cute and fun to give you guys a really quick curl tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks again for watching.